my place now, no longer Jordan's, and the subframe has all its bushes pressed out, and that is very good. And the next step for that now is to weld in braces. So we got these from, or Jordan did, from Project Aero. They've got quite a few in the kit there, more than I thought there was ever needed for a brace. So that's good, goes to show how much this car can do with having some bracing in it. And we've got some instructions here. I picked up in the brightness there of all the spots to put them in. And so he's weirdly trusted me, a very lackly skilled welder, to try and weld in some braces here. So that's what I'll try and do. So we're just going to prep both our surfaces here and probably put some weld through primer behind it for a bit of protection, because it's going to be hard to get paint to it afterwards in some areas. And we'll tack and then weld them in and see how all that goes. Hopefully it is tip top, and then it'll be ready to paint.
Sounds great. Sounds great.
different. Go. Come on, let's go. I don't know what comes in, but I couldn't care less. I refuse to feel stressed. There's no fear in my chest. Hit a boom for my steps. Walk away from the pain I've been through. This feeling I'm feeling is brand new. This is the moment I break through. I ain't really with it back for if you can keep the hustle, homie. I can't bear it all, bullheaded. In the market like you asked for, then I saw you move the target like a matador. Come on, I'm ready to go get it like a Labrador. Dog days done and I'm tired of the tug of war. Broke off the leash and I ain't going back no more. I've been better ever after like Barrymore. Hold up, let me reset. Living in the matrix, used to sequence. I cracked the code, popped out the subnet. Walk around like I found a 20, that's a dubstep. Living in the moment, did you notice that ain't up yet? You can put the pressure on me, I ain't dropping one sweat. Used to be stressed hard, beating like a drum set. Breathe, stretch, let it go. Everybody need a refresh, go. Come on, let's go. I don't know what comes in, but I couldn't care less. I refuse to feel stressed. There's no fear in my chest. Hit a boom for my steps. Walk away from the pain I've been through. This feeling I'm feeling is brand new. This is the moment I break through. I don't know what comes in, but I couldn't care less. I refuse to feel stressed. There's no fear in my chest. Hit a boom for my steps. Walk away from the pain I've been through. This feeling I'm feeling is brand new. This is the moment I break through.
All the bracing is now welded in. We got them all. Not too bad for my efforts. Definitely better improvements, but yeah, I did okay. Anyway, they're all done now, so I thought I'd do Jordan the massive favour and I'll orbital up and sand this a bit, prep it so we can put the primer on it and make it all pretty. God, I'm good.
Sounds right. Sounds right.
So how many weeks later are we, bud?
Oh shit. Well, it came out in what, end of December, so it's Feb.
Shit, it
so,
was too, eh?
Yeah, it was just before Christmas. So.
Oh no.
Welcome, Happy New Year for 2025.
Yeah.
So she's back together. So we've got strong flex bushes all in it. We've got some subframe reinforcement by Project Aero, welded in by a fellow behind the camera.
Oh dear.
So I think there's no warranty on that weld, right? Yeah.
Nah,
Thought so.
afraid not.
Damn. So got some new wheel bearings pressed in. Got some Serial 9 LCA bushes. Powerflex, Strong Flex didn't have the ones for the hubs.
Yep.
Gave it all a birthday with some black paint. Nothing but the best. No prime. No worries.
Raw dogging it.
Yeah, diff's got some fresh oil in it. It's got some bushes in there too. Resealed it. Opened up the case because I had no idea what diff was in it. Torsen LSD.
Tight Torsen.
Tight Torsen. That's basically it. Now, hopefully today we can get this motherfucker back in. And, yeah.
Fuck yeah,
Do
bro.
a skid maybe.
Oh, fuck yeah, bro. You should do. Should hold you to that shit.
Just blow the welds off day one.
Fuck yeah, bro. Yeah. Precision sport, bro.
I'm gonna open up this fucking thing of grease and the video's gonna get demonetized so fast.
It's gonna need to be a rating. Watch this one.
Yeah. Gonna need a YouTube account to watch this bastard.
Have the Ferris Bueller song going. Oh, yeah.
Yo.
Oh, he's done this before, but
That's a good fucking Thomas.
James was surprisingly good with the Vaseline and the gong dogs. And shoveling him.
Shoveled it into the fuel tank.
Oh, look at that. Cheapest out of the bunch compared to like the crowns and stuff, yeah?
Yeah, the crowns and shit.
What's there's 4, or is it just 3? You got Mark II Chaser, Crown. What's the
Cresta.
Cresta, that's right.
Yeah, so the Mark II, the Chaser and the Cresta are all kind of the same.
Was there a
Chassis.
JZX Cresta?
Yeah.
There was.
They made way less Crestas than Chasers and Mark IIs.
Cresta's the second highest in the tier, or they all basically are the same apart from the Crown?
They're all the same. So the only difference between the Cresta, the Mark II, and the Chaser is literally the styling.
Yeah, okay.
Everything else is all
the drive lines.
drive lines are identical.
Interior's pretty much the same.
Interior's identical for like the Turvees and the Grandes and stuff.
Yeah, okay.
They made less Crestas, which is kind of cool. So because like there was a Turvee Cresta factory manual for sale for a while, and everyone was kind of gawking it because they're like a dime a dozen. They're not dime a dozen. That means they're common.
Yeah.
The other way around. Rare hen's teeth, we'll call it.
Yeah, that's better.
Like a fucking XY. But yeah, so yeah, they were kind of they're really rare to find, especially in turbo form and especially manual.
Yeah.
But yeah, crowns and shit are fucking just same but different kinda. Don't mess about. Or did yours not?
I think they're just completely flat washers.
Did yours do that?
Maybe you do have asked about, yeah. It's a bigger ring out of the 2, no? Well, have I got both the big ones?
You could have both the big ones. Fuck.
We're on fire today,
Mate. How's it go when that 20-minute job turns into 6 days?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Gimme. Thank you.
Mate, we're a fucking well-oiled machine here,
Sound like we're at the slot machines, bro. Digging.
Fucking air hockey table, bro.
Yeah.
There we go, now we're getting somewhere.
Cooking with gas, bro. It's like being with Livingston and then he falls. Slaps on the plank at the jetty boat.
How's it go? Help. Fuck yeah. Disappearing trick ever.
Oh.
Did you grab the bag that had all of that?
Yeah.
Taking the jack for a walk?
Yeah. Walkies.
How are you looking? Balanced enough? Yeah, that thread's in okay, yeah.
That's your right now.
That's just mint. Don't need a Loctite.
When did Toyota say goodnight?
You haven't seen the meme where it's like goodnight Toyota? Mint. I will tighten these ones up.
Yep. We'll see how that goes.
How are we looking?
Yeah, good. Carpet.
Oh fuck, this carpet's gonna be so shit. Alright, gotta try to give it a bit of a run up. You're good?
Yep. You on it? Keep the colour. A little bit more. Yep, that's good.
Sound strap. Sound strap. Sound strap. Sound strap.
Yeah, look at that. You can do the other one too, just in case it splooges on you.
Mate, there you go. If you want to prove how much fucking lube I use.
Yeah, there's your proof in the pudding right there.
Oh, maybe this one won't be as bad.
No coon.
No big coom.
I think that other one's still dry.
That one's still fucking going.
Still
Oh, hang
going.
on. I see it coming. Oh, here we go.
How's it go, bro? I see it coming.
There you go, a little bit.
Fucking nasty. I'm gonna have to upload this to the red tube instead.
This ain't YouTube worthy, bro.
No.
Yeah, mint. Alright, cool. Well,
Give some gains, mate.
oops, brother.
Good tech. Good tech. I can bench 350 easy. Gonna stick an axle in there, what?
Is that rain?
This looks like I'm washing out. What a fuck.
Yeah, I got washing too.
Alright, let's see how we go.
So, through hub first.
Too good for your home. Still gotta go more.
Yeah, still got more to go in. I think she's basically in, bro. Let me guess, that ain't gonna fit.
Not yet, no.
Right, we're basically through. That's on.
Yeah, if you drop that all the way down, we might make it work.
What, the hub?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We're in action.
That in?
Yeah.
Do you want to bring it back up?
Yeah. You can put the coilover bolt through it now if you want. a man that knows what he's doing.
You can be useful and drop those fucking drive shaft bolts, bro.
Oh, I'm trying to document this, bro. Once I said it, I originally came here not to help, just to film. But I got stuck helping because no one else came here.
What's the fucking infamous Goldie quote? Here's what I did. Get up and help, cunt.
Just hurled slander right now after that.
Poor Chris is sitting there, arms shaking. Can't hold it for much longer. You're sitting there fucking putting the camera in his face.
Oh, I'm getting a good angle.
Also, the ABS license, ABS has never come on when I've owned it, so.
Probably got it unplugged.
Module just has no fucking sensor, has no fuse in it.
Yeah, probably not.
Right, what do I need?
You need to get your other coilover bolt.
Grillo, bolt, axle, nut. Should be it. Right.
You come around and give it to me.
What's the meme where it's like, oh, when your mum asks you for a family photo, it's like Mark Wahlberg will like, I need a pump.
Yeah.
Coil bolt. One of these axle nuts is good, one's not. Find out. Bring that in first. Bring that. Need that. And I'll get you to give me that spanner over the other side.
Will I now?
Fuck, I might move my exhaust too. That's an extra spot.
Yeah, I'd recommend the bin.
Mate, the good thing is that hopefully most of it will go in the bin.
Fuck yeah, bro. New exhaust system, new plasma, I reckon.
I don't want the tank to be quiet.
Man, I gotta give you a spin in the S8 so you learn what fucking premium saloon car is.
Taking the Chase at peak, put sound editing in it, all that shit. You're just gonna go get the missus to go buy probably, arguably one of the best saloons you can buy.
It's pretty comfy. Do you think it's lined up for it? I'm not sure if the spines are gonna
It's a
be
bit that way.
flatless again.
Wait, pull it out. There you go. Straight in, mate. Wait, hang on. Let me just spin it for you. Get fancy with it.
What to hear for noise?
Yeah.
I don't know if it will at this stage. But
Okay, yeah, that's right. Right, well, let's fucking send her in.
hold up. Yep. Right.
Lovely. Push it up.
Yep.
Let's have a listen.
I still probably won't because it's not sitting quite square. I could try that one.
No, mate, no, watch I fucking go to drive the cunt. Gearbox diff gonna blow.
Oh, I'm hoping the gearbox breaks.
Well, that's kind of it, eh? Like, if I make it like 300 watts, my next limiting factor is the gearbox.
Yeah, well, it's always been your limiting factor. Like, you can make this car as good as you want. 4 slush box in there holding it back.
Mate, worst case, ZF.
Where's the KR154?
I know, because ZF's a BMW 6-speed, isn't it?
I don't know, I think there's lots of things called a ZF, because the fucking, like FG 6-speed auto is called a ZF.
No, I'll put one of those in.
Might as well stick a barrow in away at it.
But why would I want to put a boat anchor in it? Don't say it's gonna fucking bar you, dog. Maybe that was coming from a mile away.
What?
You fucking...
Inline 6 that sits past the axles, iron block. Oh damn, I wonder where I've seen that before.
No, she's light.
You bench that 1J block by yourself, can you?
Yeah. Come around the shed.
Gonna squat. I'll tell you, I'll be sick about you do all this and my miss will still gap you. That'll be funny as fuck. I don't know, it's a bit of a heavy car, so.
Yeah, how much does it weigh?
Like 1900 kilo.
1900?
Yeah. All-wheel drive. I can lamb now. 500 kilos. Fuck, man. It may as well be a fucking territory, bro.
What territory is it? 2 ton something.
Yeah, they're 2 something. They're heavy.
Mind you, BE like 17, 18, I thought.
Oh, dude, the weight of some cars should be criminal. Like, you should get charged for it, I reckon.
Well, you tax her by the sound of it.
Yeah. Yeah. I just can't wait for Jen to take that to any fucking mechanic and they're like, oh, this is the V10 model? She's like, yeah, but oh yeah, no, we're not touching it.
Yeah. I'm trying to figure out who to actually go to for
Bro, you know there's only one answer.
what, power tone?
No. Wait for servicing.
Yeah.
You know there's one answer, right?
I don't think they know what to fucking do if it's not a 4-cylinder, bro.
They'll know. They do the twin turbo 8s.
Do they?
Yeah, the fucking RS6 is done by them.
Yeah, that's probably
Wait, who are you thinking I'm meaning?
I was gonna... Nah, I knew who you're talking about. I was like, no, I might try and hit up like power tone or something like that because they were servicing a V10 M5 the other day.
Bro, cool.
Yeah. Cool. Wow. What do we got there? What's going on with that, mate?
Some fucking brakes, bro. So, we're all about evolving. I'm not throwing on those jank ass OEM calipers and rotors.
Whew.
Rotors and pads, I should say. So we got some Dixel ones straight from the motherland of Japan.
Wow.
So I got their extreme speed pad. It's like a healthy like street track, like toad kind of one.
Nice.
You know it's Japanese when it's got pictures of like where you can and can't use them. So it's not a racing car,
No.
but sedan should be mint. So
Good.
they then got their slotted rotors. I've got one over there, but show you the new one that I haven't got fingerprints over. Slotted rotors for the rear.
Looking good, brother.
So it should come up mint. Tidy up my rear end refresh and look the part and be the part. So
That's for sure, bro. Let's throw them on.
we're on it. Closer, I'm not fucking working for it, bro.
There you go. You're good, mate. Woo.
Mint.
Another hit.
Tell you what, dudes be simple, eh? Smell like petrol and brake cleaner goes so hard.
Can't go wrong.
Nah, bro. It's like you.
What's my favour?
Wow. Yeah, one of these like pins fell out. The problem is when they fall out, I don't know what.
What's that?
Like no one was showing how to actually put them on. They were just like, oh, here it is on the car.
Yeah, it's normally how to do stuff. It's too hard to show.
Yeah, I know.
Gotta
Yeah.
Set up camera angles and stuff. So you're just like, well, try and understand what I'm saying,
Yeah, it's like make it out.
and then look, it worked.
Yeah. It's like watch me struggle for 40 minutes, like I am.
Oh, something's on.
Yep, that's always a good fucking sign. Bolted on, then I'm on. Mint.
Happy days.
Love that. Jackson's will always scared the fuck out of me.
Especially those good old jacks. Let them down easy, mate. Let them down easy.
Sounds good.
I think we should convert this to Euro stud, bro.
5x112.
I meant more like,
Oh, the bolts.
yeah.
Yeah, I don't know who the fuck decided a bolt to be a good idea, but fuck 'em.
Not the smartest. The fact that it's still a thing blows my mind.
That's crazy, isn't it?
Like, just admit you're wrong, bro. It's all good.
Yeah.
You tried something, you failed. Just come to terms with it. Don't keep doing it.
Legit, like, yeah, every time I go to do anything on the scooter wheel-wise, I forget.
Wheel just drops to the ground.
Yeah, falls on the thing, hurts my fucking foot. Right, fuck this shit, man.
Oh, this is always funny.
Oh, my anxiety. Fuck, man.
Did you do your fuel doing away your baggie?
Nah, doing it later.
There
No,
you go.
I have to get some flare wrenches.
Oh, okay. No, you haven't got a break, mate. Get good quality ones.
Yeah.
That's not the fuck out of mine. Yeah, let it down, mate.
Yes, bro. You sure you don't want to do it?
Yeah, I'm cool. Broken off. That's right. I shouldn't go too far forward. You got your ramp. She getting there.
God, fuck this, man.
She almost home, bro.
Fuck.
Get her out. Did we?
Yeah, we had the rear ramps to get on the jack.
Oh, okay. Well, it's a good thing it hasn't settled quite yet.
Man.
She down, bro.
God, bro.
I keep forgetting how much of a fucking hot boy you are, bro. Holy shit. Cool, everything get touched there.
Dude, don't come over here.
No, I gotta come over
No,
there.
don't worry about it, bro.
What's going on over there?
Ignore it, bro. Don't worry about it.
Oh, that's good, bro. Toe in, aggressive handling.
Yeah, this side's not bad. It just feels like it sits lower.
Yeah, it fucking looks it.
Then again, it's been on the air for 3 months, so
You forgot what it sits like.
yeah.
Yeah, the front's fucking tucking.
Because the rear tucked a little, but
No, you're just a fucking huge hot boy,
no, I
bro.
think it's fine. Dude, fucking solid bushes in the thing, man. Yeah. Alright, now I'm good. Might have died.
No, you gotta have a celebration, bro. Fuck you. Look at that. I've no point trying to get footage under it, but I will anyway. Oh, yeah, it's all black under there. No, fuck. Oh, well, you want to round out the episode of the love on the rear of the chase? I might go stand next to your accomplishment.
Yeah.
So, recap.
So what
For the
have we done?
10th time, what have we done?
So it's got every single bush in the rear is solid. The only ones that aren't
Well,
got
they're
some,
solid as in new.
solid new poly bushes. Serial 9 like OEM plus like hardened rubber for the traction arms. Dixel rotors, Dixel pads, fresh oil, new wheel bearings, whole lot of paint, whole lot of birthday for the rear of this thing.
Yeah, man.
Fuck. That's about it. Alignment TBD. Which is a bit rough, but stoked, bro.
Looks good, man. We finally got her back to how she should be, mate.
Bro,
She
biggest
gonna be
flex, newest bushings, every car in this fucking world right now.
It's probably true.
Yeah. I don't think anyone's building a car on a Sunday.
Ah, they're going to church, mate.
Yeah, I have it for a day. Got the title for.
Alright. Excellent work, mate.
Thanks for watching. You wait for the next part of this car, bro.
Yeah. In for a treat, huh?
Into something.
Zoom in on the TID to celebrate. There you go.
Oh, yeah.